right, so I'm gonna cut the rest of the pieces out, 2 of the cuff and 2 of the sleeves. I'll be right back. We're gonna take each sleeve, make sure it's right side up. Match up the long edge, and we're gonna serge that together. Do that for both sleeves. One thing that I'm noticing is, see how it's a little bit uneven? That means there's probably a right sleeve and a left sleeve. So unfortunately, I cut both the sleeves out the same. I'm gonna try it and see what happens, but you probably should, if you're doing this yourself, cut one out this, like have the fabric together and cut it out. I was trying to save fabric, so I cut them out individually, but if you do that, if you cut them out individually, cut one out with the pattern piece up and one with the pattern piece down. Okay, so I think there is supposed to be a right and a left side because the sleeve definitely lines up better with one side than the other. Like, see, that is not really working very good. And then if I put it in the other side, see how the curves line up perfectly. So I'm gonna have to also cut another sleeve out, and then we'll work on the hood. Okay, so this is the left sleeve facing up. I put it in the left side. So just so you know. So I cut my other sleeve out. I turned it right side out. And then we are going to feed it. So here's the sweatshirt. Feed it inside. So right sides are together. You want to line up the side seam of the sleeve with the side seam of the body of the sweatshirt. And just ease the rest of it around. Also, by the way, it's 2 o'clock, so I have like 2 hours to finish this. I should get it done. All right, see, this is lining up so much better. And I should have thought of that, but the instructions are basically as good as you're gonna get for a free pattern, I guess. All right, now what the heck? Why is this? All right. I have this huge gap. I don't know what's going on. I gotta figure this out. Hang on. The other sleeve literally went in so perfect and nice. I have no idea. I'm gonna play with it a little. Okay, I've got it. I just sort of pulled and pushed the fabric around to try to get it where I want it to lay. We're gonna serge right around this armhole. Okay, so here's how it's looking so far. I like the length of the sleeves. I just need to figure out what is going on with the cuffs because these are definitely not gonna work. I think I just need to make them longer so that they line up with these sleeves, and then we have to do the hood.